Hello, I'll be doing an unboxing of more perfume. This one is from Alkemia, and this one is from Groovy Galaxy. This is a little shop that I found on TikTok. They're cryptid themed. So let's see how I can open this. So the one that I got from Alkemia is one that I've already reviewed. Look at the cute packaging. Trying to figure out how to open this without ruining the very cute packaging. But it's Saturday autumnal. Sorry, I'm filming this at an angle, so I'm hoping that it's in frame and everything. That one's basically like a nice sort of apple cider, like almost potpourri scent. I got that in a little one before, and now I'm getting a bigger one just because I like to wear that for the fall. Okay, got two little testers, and I also got little nibs that help you get the oil perfume out because the bigger sizes don't have anything, just like this. So that just helps get perfume out a little bit. Those I decided to roll away. So they sent me Lola, and Haunted and Bewitched as little testers. I'll put the notes of those on the screen. And then from Groovy Galaxy, I got two. Apparently the plastic packaging doesn't like this as much. Alrighty. I got two perfume oils. I got two perfume oils, but I also got a little keychain I'll show you guys. So the one is Sasquatch S'mores, and the second one is Cryptid Cabin. Both of these, like the Saturday autumnal one, are sort of like spicy. This one I believe has a little bit more like fern and like woodsy sort of smells, and this one is like more of a gourmand sort of smell. But the other thing I got, and it's very cute, as I said, is keychain. It's a little like vintagey motel keychain. It says Mothman Motel. They have other ones that say like Chupacabra Coffee Shop. Then one for UFOs and one for Halloween hunting, I believe is the fourth one. But yeah, that's what I got. Very cute. I can't wait to try these two. Yeah.